Welcome to TSC Booking Service Demo. First, we will begin with installation. As the deployment server will be on Linux environment will be used. First, the core part of TSC Booking would be the Node.js. So, we need to install the Node.js first. Then, the second requirement would be we need to clone the GitHub. Third, we will need to change the .env file. .env file will be on the API folder. Then we need to set executable permission for the required script. Then we need to run the script in order. DB setup script will be downloading and extracting the MongoDB file and MongoDB tools. And then it will import necessary data, which is the initial data for the default admin. Then we will run the application. First, this is the landing page for the TSC room booking system. Let's get started. Here, I will first log in as an admin. So, welcome to the admin dashboard. Here we have a total 4 cards which showing the statistic for the usage of our system. Then we move to the manage booking. Here, where all the bookings will be listed. It have a filter features and a download features. Next, we should move on to the manage user. So this is where we can manage the user. We can edit any user detail. We can delete a user and also add new user and also for the admin as well. Additional part, we have a filter by name, email or role. We move to the manage room. Here, where the admin will be manage the room. Okay, first, let's add a room. Room 1 is the example room. We have the room type. So in this case, we can use a counseling room. For example, we add a room. Then the room will be listed for us. Here, we can disable a room or delete a room. So we will just left it as a default. Move toward the announcement part. Here, the list of the announcement made. Let's add an announcement. Here is an example announcement I will be put. It have a feature to send an announcement for all the users. Here you can see an announcement is listed and then we can edit the announcement or we can delete the announcement. Then we move to the manage feedbacks where it will list all user feedbacks. We also have a filter features and download features. Then we should move to the users part. Before that, here we have the latest announcement showed in the landing page. And let's move to the user part. User will have a register page dedicated for register a user. So let's fill out the form. Let's log in into the user. Welcome to the user dashboard. It only have a simple dashboard with a booking history and the upcoming booking. Let's create a new booking. Here in the booking tab, we'll have a room selection and the time selection. Let's see how it works. So this is a tile-based booking where each slot is a 1 hour booking time for the room. You can book up to 3 slots per day. Let's booking on the Wednesday, 8 to 10 a.m. It only limit us to the 3 slot per day. We need to enter 4 names in order to book a room. We can add more participants if we need it. The minimum entries required is 4. So we have the confirmation prompt for the booking. Okay, we already have made the booking. Our booking is pending the admin to review. So we move to the feedback first. This is where the user can make any feedback. Then let's see on the dashboard. As you can see, we have an upcoming booking on 23rd of April 2025 at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., and 10 a.m. Let's wait for the admin to accept our upcoming bookings. Let's log in as an admin to accept the booking. As you can see, now we have 1 total room, 3 pending bookings, and 1 registered user. As you can see, the 3 bookings we made earlier is here. All the details are here also, and the action we have to approve and reject. So let's reject the 8 a.m. booking. Let's move to manage users first. As you can see, we have a user. As you can see, we have a user here that we create earlier. We can change the details. Let's go to manage feedback. As you can see, the feedback we sent earlier is here. Lastly, we should check the user side after it has been accepted. The 3 slot we are booking is here. 2 of them is accepted. 1 of them is rejected as what we have done earlier. And that is the end of the demo.